Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. This is Mascouche train heading on its Detour underneath the bridge here in St. Pierre, Ville St. Pierre. The same train that I got a ride on from the cab view. Although my train came a little bit earlier and it was in a different day. But this is the same route, and that's the route that my train would have taken around the curve there. And you'll see that in part 2 of that video of the ride from Central Station all the way to Ahuntsic Boulevard there, Ahuntsic Station, yeah. Yeah, it's Ahuntsic Station.